Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Discord disabled account. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do here if you're having or if you have disabled your account is to find out why they disabled your account in the first place. So there are different breaking terms and conditions of Discord. So you have just entered your email and password, and Discord confirms that your account has been disabled. So what do you do? So you have to find out why it has been disabled. So fortunately, Discord will send you an email explaining why your account has been disabled, and from that email, you also get to know how long your account will be disabled. So there are different penalties for breaking the terms and conditions of Discord, and a good example is that the person who bullies others on Discord server will not be able to log in to an account for an extended period. And it would help if you find out why your account is being disabled to prevent similar problems from happening in the future. And the next one that you can do is to contact Discord. So once you find out the reason your account has been put on hold, contacting Discord is the only way you can enable it as fast as you can. So to reach out to Discord support team, you will have to contact them at support@discordapp.com. And if you believe you were falsely accused, you can explain this over the email to Discord support. So this approach should help reinstate your account more quickly. And once you contact them, Discord will reply to your email accordingly. However, you should know that Discord will not help you if you go against the rules and regulations. So for example, suppose you have been bullying people on Discord and there's evidence. So in that case, your account will remain disabled as a punishment, and it would be best to remember that Discord is only doing this to ensure that the platform is non-abusive and safe for all users. So that's it for this video. Those are some of the possible things that you can do if your account has been disabled in Discord. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.